Didn't though. Greek. Okay, I am Greek though. My sister looks more. What? I'm getting really hungry. I know, these comments are fucking disgusting. Like, I already know like half of y'all are like, gross as fuck. I don't have.
It's almost ready.
Okay. How much longer? How much longer do you think? I'm really hungry. I can feel my stomach's like. I know. Is that not weird? Like, I don't know if you meant that to be weird or not, but it came off a little weird. Oh my god, do you guys hear my stomach? I'm not 16. I was 16 2 years ago.